These are my drawings, and in this video we are going to fill that empty space with two different drawings. And while we do that, I'm going to show you my full drawing process, from the sketching to the results. So, step 1 is the references. So personally I use Pinterest, and for today's drawings I selected this reference and this other reference. To make everything more interesting, with some scissors I cut the paper that we are going to draw on with this outline, so that it would match the outline of the drawing that we are going to draw on top of. Step number 2 is sketching. Don't worry, you don't have to make everything perfect, because this is just a rough preview of what the final drawing will look like. This is the result of the sketch, and now we are going to go to step 3, line art. I haven't filmed the line art process, but I have done it with this pen, and here it is. It's a lot nicer, a lot more refined. And now let's go to coloring. Step 4, color. So this is the result. I've kept it black and white to give a more stylized feeling, but I think it looks pretty good. So let's go to step 5. Step 5. Hang it on the wall. I hope you like it. Subscribe.